guess not everyone can be as beautiful and kind and sweet as I am.
Yes.
Aren't you sweet? Anyway, as I was saying, what I was thinking about the other day is maybe if I brush my hair 100 times, I'd get, new color. Do you think it'd turn blonde?
Yes, dear.
You're so sweet. Oh, what's that?
This?
Looks like a magic mirror. I already know I'm beautiful. Let's have a try anyway. Now, if we can get to work this thing. What was that question? Oh, stupid Ryan. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the most fairest of them all? My mother? That's not true. I'm the prettiest. You're the ugliest person I've ever seen. Do something!
Hey, listen, buddy. You want to think about your answer again?
Okay, wait. Maybe I made a mistake. I didn't see you properly. Come closer. Let me take another look. Oh, dear God! You're even uglier than I thought. Okay, just kidding.
Kidding.
Quite pretty. But to be truly the prettiest, you have to have a heart that is kind and beautiful.
That's so stupid. I can't put makeup on my heart.
You have to help others. Share the joy. Spread love. Toodaloo!
Help others. I've never done that before. Alright, okay. I'm going to be the prettiest girl in all the land and you have to help me.
Well, she said something about sharing the love, right?
Mm-hmm.
I have an idea.
Really? Tell us, please.
The True Love Cafe. Perfect.
Ooh, okay.
This table seems to be reserved, but I think they're late.
Ooh, who's the lucky couple?
This one says Amanda Peng.
And Kevin, you are Where are you guys? Kevin, you're at year 11? Amanda Peng? Where are you, Kevin, my dear? Come to Mama. Come to Mama.
Talking to you across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. Feel you whisper across the seas. Keep you with me in my heart. Make it easier when life gets hard. I'm in love with my best friends. Lucky to where I have been. Lucky to be coming home.
Hit his head for the end. I put a flower.
As the world keeps spinning round, hold me right here, right now. Lucky I can with my best friends. Lucky to be where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. Kevin, don't leave so fast. You too, Amanda. We have some surprises for you.